Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the license and signing in. This step sets access and activation. Once you've confirmed specs and decided between Microsoft 365 subscription versus one-time Office 2021, sign into account. Microsoft.com. Make sure to check your payment method and region. If you already own a product key, keep it handy. Then, click Install Office from your account dashboard. This action triggers the download. While the installer downloads, close other apps to speed installation and ensure uninterrupted setup. You run the installer with administrator permission. This is where the program writes files and registers components. When prompted, choose Default Install for full PowerPoint and Office apps, or Customize to install PowerPoint only. Select Location if you prefer an alternate drive. Follow on-screen prompts and let the installer download additional files if needed. While it runs, avoid sleep mode and heavy downloads. Once progress hits 100%, the installer will report completion. Click Finish and launch PowerPoint to continue activation. You open PowerPoint and immediately sign in with the same Microsoft account used to install. This links the license. If prompted, enter your 25-character product key or choose Activate Subscription. Office will validate online. Once activated, go to File, Account, and run update options to download latest security patches and features. Make sure autosave and OneDrive integration are set as you prefer. Troubleshooting tip. If activation fails, sign out, restart the laptop, then sign back in. If still failing, use the Microsoft Account Troubleshooter or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.